Hi everybody, I wanted to show you real quick a few of the things you can do in the Kosh customer portal. So to navigate to the portal, go ahead and go to koshsolutions.com and then click on Pay Bill. And there's more functionality than just paying the bill. It's just what we have on there. And so it'll open up a new screen and it'll take you to a login page. And since I'm already logged into my Microsoft account, it automatically logged me in. And so this is, once you get into the Kosh portal, you're going to see a menu based on your permissions. And I would just want to go over three things in this menu, kind of real quick, just a high level overview of what you can do. So you can submit a ticket. If you need support from Kosh, then go ahead and follow the steps here on how to submit a ticket. I need technical support. And I've gone over this in another video in more detail. You pretty much just fill it out and it'll submit a ticket. Going back home, you can also make a payment in the portal, which this one is pretty handy because you can also view all of your past invoices, your current invoices, your payment method. You can update your payment method. You can start your auto pay. Yeah, I'd like to be able to see the history of invoices all in one place, which is very nice. If you have an open invoice, it'll have the details of that open invoice here. And then as a dashboard look, you can just kind of take a glance at your activity with Kosh here. So there's submitting a ticket in this billing. And the last thing that I'll go over is if you're a full admin user, like I am here, then you can actually adjust the status of your staff and employees. So for example, if I wanted to change Brandon Alsup's to a different status, like maybe I don't want them to have any access, so I can give them no access. Or maybe I just want to change them to be a standard user. We can go ahead and do that here in this portal. And makes it a lot easier. You don't have to submit any ticket or anything. You can manage that on your own. Okay, so that was just a quick video to show you three things you can do in the Kosh portal. You can submit a ticket, you can work on your billing or invoices, and you can also manage your user access in the portal.